Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, respected teachers and my dear students. Continuing with the exercise of sharing videos on vocabulary, which is crucially beneficial for writing narrative essays, even for descriptive essay or directed writing or any task which is assigned to you. And that word which I have chosen for today's video is moved or walked. You know that there cannot be a story or a sentence until and unless there is some movement. Either your character is moving or walking. Now, this is a very repetitively boring word until and unless you will find its synonyms. So, let's look at some of the general synonyms for this word. For example, instead of saying went, you can say made their way. You can say shifted or stirred, or they headed towards their destination. They proceeded towards the mosque. We journeyed towards Islamabad. We ventured for a new place. Strolled, meaning walking for pleasure. So these are the different general synonyms for the word walked. We will be looking at this word in different angles, which will be really exciting for you. For example, if you are walking slow, then what will be the synonyms? For example, for slow walk, you can say ambled or sauntered or rambled, or you can say unhurried walk. I have repeated the word ambled, but the meanings are in a slightly different scenario. So when you are making a slow walk after, for example, dinner or after a heavy meal or after fatigue or after some injury, then either of the words you will be using. Now, when you are having a difficult walk because of the injury, especially, so you will say staggered. The old man staggered, limped, plodded. Plodded means walked heavily, often with effort, and stumbled will be tripped or lost balance. When you are talking about old man's walk, then what will be the synonyms? Shuffled, hobbled, meaning walk with difficulty due to age or injury. Toddled, like a toddler, meaning walk with short and unsteady steps, just like a child does. An old man is similar to a child. Plodded means walked heavily and slowly. So, what if you are talking about the graceful walk of a soldier? Then you will say marched. If you would know these synonyms, you can attempt the question of meaning and effect very carefully and easily. Because in meaning and effect questions, the examiners usually ask that why has the writer used the word marched instead of walked? Why the writer has used the word stumbled instead of walked? So over there you can very easily answer this question. So my dear students, for soldiers walk you can say walked with strides, patrolled with vigilance, stamped. Stamped means walked with heavy deliberate steps. Advanced with determination. It means moved ahead with determination. Now, when you are mentioning dignified walk, these will be the combinations of words which you can use. You can say walked with dignity, moved with elegance, walked with confidence, carried oneself well. This is a beautiful expression and exuded confidence. My dear student, these are a few sentences which I have shared with you that even you can start this word at the start of sentence. For example, you can say walked into the bazaar, the scent of smoke swallowed me whole. Just as during the smoggy days, you can use this sentence very appropriately in the context of having the changed school timings. Walked the dusty streets of Lahore at dawn, shadows turned the alleys into abstract art. Walked on air after the wind, Ali's victory made everyone feel proud of him. Stumbled into the dimly lit alley, I nearly tripped over a stray cat plotting world domination. So, my dear students, I have decided that I will be sharing different vocabulary words. If there is some other word which is in your mind for which you want sentences, idioms, synonyms, or any other help, don't forget to mention it in the in the comment box, and I will be sharing its synonyms as well as its usage. I hope you would keep learning and practicing for excellent results. Thank you very much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.